Hey, today I'm going to show you how to paint the engine valve cover. So the thing that you need is, first of all, you need this paint stripper. This is to remove the existing paint on the engine valve cover. And I found that this is very efficient and very easy. And also, I recommend you to have a metal brush. This is to remove the remaining excessive items on top of the engine valve covers, and of course use a brush to brush the remaining items. So this paint brush is when you're applying the paint stripper, you can use this to take off the paint, right? And then finally you have the sandpaper, is to make sure the surface of the engine valve cover is clean after remove all the paint. So as for the paint, though, I have the primer, which is the base coat in white color. I have the black and also the red, and this is the gloss, top gloss. So take note that these are high heat paint, which can stand up to 650 degree Fahrenheit. And I always use this GOX 7. I found this GOX 7 paint is very reliable, very consistent, and is long lasting. Okay, so these are the stuff that we need. Let's go to see how we're going to do it later. So before you apply the paint stripper, to make sure you have the protective equipment with you, because the paint stripper is corrosive. Here, paint has already been striped off. It's just that easy. So this is the way to remove the paint from the engine valve cover. So now I'm going to finish the whole stripping process, and after that we will go with the painting process. Alright. Okay, so now all the preparation works are done. So I have sealed all the holes, as you can see here. So now I'm going to apply the base paint. Okay, as you can see right now, the valve cover is beautifully painted with a few layers of the primer, the white color primer, which I intend to keep half of this, and then I'm going to do another 2 more color, which is similar to the Toyota Gazoo Racing color theme, the black and the red. So I'm going to use a tape to tape the color that I want to paint, and then I'm going to use some of the reused materials to wrap it, so that the paint won't slip into the primer that I've already painted. Alright. Okay, it's painted the second color, which is red. So now I'm going to seal the red color, and then I'll spray black. Painted the third color, which is black, and we're going to untie it, and let's see how.